In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create user flow in Figma. A user flow is a simple diagram that maps how someone moves through your product screen by screen and decision by decision. It's a great way to align a team, validate assumptions, and spot gaps before you dive into high-fidelity design. Let's walk through it together, starting from a fresh browser window. First, go to figma.com. You can do this in any modern browser or in the Figma desktop app if you have it installed. If you're not already signed in, Figma may prompt you to log in so you can open and edit files. Once you're on Figma, click on Community. The community is a library of free resources shared by designers around the world, templates, UI kits, icon sets, and more. This is where we'll find a ready-made user flow template to get started quickly. In the community search bar, type user flow. You'll see a variety of results designed for different needs, some lightweight for quick planning, others more detailed for complex products. Look for a file that showcases clear start and end points, decision diamonds, and connectors that are easy to follow. Select a template and click to open its details page. Spend a moment previewing the thumbnails and reading the description. Check that the shapes, labels, and overall structure fit your style and the fidelity you need. A good sign is a template that includes a legend, consistent color usage, and scalable components, so it's easy to expand as your flow grows. When you're ready, click Open in Figma. This will create a copy in your drafts or chosen workspace so you can edit freely without changing the original. Give it a project-friendly name so it's easy to find later, especially if you'll collaborate with teammates. Now customize it, replace placeholder text with real steps in your user journey, starting with a clear entry point like a landing screen or a logged-in home. Use rectangles or ovals for screens, diamonds for decisions, and directional arrows to show the path forward. Keep labels short and action-oriented. Think tap sign up, enter email, or error shown. Adjust colors to differentiate happy paths from edge cases, and add a simple legend if the template doesn't include one. Group-related paths, keep spacing consistent, and zoom out occasionally to check readability at a glance. If the template includes components, use them to add new nodes and connectors without breaking the style. And as you iterate, annotate tricky areas with brief notes so reviewers understand the context behind decisions. With your customized flow in place, you've got a clear, shareable map of the experience from start to finish. That's how to create a user flow in Figma.